Hello everyone, my name is Jason, and welcome to our first tutorial in this Xhtml and CSS series. Now before we get started, the only thing you need to build an awesome website is a very simple text editor. Anything such as Notepad or Microsoft Word work just fine, but my personal favorite is Notepad++. I highly recommend it for anyone who is planning on doing a lot of coding. Now the very first thing you need when building any website is a small piece of code to tell the web browser exactly what kind of document you are sending it. And to write this code, you just put a less than sign, an exclamation mark, doctype, space, and then the kind of document that you are sending it. In our case, we are using HTML. And then a greater than sign. I'll jump down a few spaces here. Now, all HTML web pages are made up of what we call tags. You have a beginning tag and an ending tag. Now, there are three main tags that you need in every HTML document. The first being the HTML tag. You do a less than sign, the name of your tag, in this case is HTML, and you do a second HTML tag with a less than sign, a backslash, HTML, and a greater than sign. Now, the backslash just tells it that that is the end of the tag. So we have our beginning tag and our ending tag. Give ourselves a little bit of room inside of those two tags. Now, everything for your website will go inside of these two HTML tags. Now, the second tag that you need is called a head tag. Now, inside of the head tag, you put all of the technical information that the web browser needs to read your web page. The very first thing that we can put in here is a title tag. Now, in between the beginning and ending title tag, you can write the title of your web page. In this case, I'm going to write, "This is the title." Now, I'm going to show you how to save this. Go to File, Save As. In this case, I'm going to save it as Test. And you go down here and you find Hypertext Markup Language, which is HTML. Click that. And you save it to a folder. Now, show you what this looks like. This is where our title is. This is the title. Now, you notice down here, everything's still blank. Now, that's where the final tag that you always have to have comes in. It's called the body tag. Now, in between the two body tags is where everything for your website goes. Everything that is visible to the outside world goes in the body tags. Save this and show it to you real quick. This is in the body. The next thing I want to talk to you about is called header tags. Now, a header tag is like the headline of a news article. And in order to make a header tag, less than sign, H1, greater than sign. Then we can type in, "This is the head." And then we have to do the ending of the header tag, which is a less than, backslash, H1, greater than sign. Let's save this. I'll show it to you real quick. Basically what the head tag does is bolds the text inside of it and makes it larger. Now there are 6 different header tags, and in order to change them and make them different, you just change the number in front of the H. Save this real quick and show you the different sizes and what they look like. And there's all the different headers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this is regular text inside the body. And I think that's all we have time for today in this tutorial.